Hi, this is Fazam, and in this video we will give you a brief introduction of brief demo of Easykhata desktop point of sale software, which works without internet. But for the activation, we need internet when we start. First of all, then once we have activated this software, then we don't need any more for internet. So first of all, you need to download it from go to our website easykhata.org. This is our website. To download Easykhata desktop point of it software, this is our logo. You can this is homepage of our website. You can download this from this portion of our website homepage. There are two parts of the website. There are two parts of our software: Easykhata installer x64 and Easykhata desktop app x64. You need to download both of them, and you download and install in the same order. Download first of all Easykhata installer x64, and then download installer Easykhata desktop app x64. Download in the same order and download in the same install in the same order. First of all, one point to note is that this software run on 64-bit Windows version. If you don't have, you don't know, you can press Window and pause button to see your Windows version. So first of all, you need to register your you need to create your account on our website. You enter username, enter email address, password, like email in the same way like other websites. Create your account on our website, and then register your create your store on our website. This video the video is given in on homepage how to create your store on our website. You can visit our website homepage, and you can watch that video how to create your store on our website. Register your when you register your on our website, your email and password is sent to your email address. Watch this video if you do not know how to create your store on our website. This is not the topic of our website of today video. The topic is demo, so therefore watch this video how to register your business or store on our website. In this way you will get username and password on your website. I have installed the software, and let's start. uh, Click on this Easykhata icon of on the desktop. When you install, this icon is installed. You double click on this and then minimize this app. This app is running. Now you go to your browser, any browser you can choose from: Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and more. To open your browser, web browser, and type https colon slash slash localhost colon https colon slash slash localhost colon 46250. This is the port number where this run. This is the so you can see that the app is running. Now you can fetch your account information from our website. By the same username and password you register your store on our website. You can first of all, you need internet for this on your PC to activate your account. First of all, you type here fetch account to create to fetch your account username and password from our website to this to your PC. Type fetch account, and this as you can see on this video, type your username and password of your of your store, which is sent to your email. I am typing the dummy username and password for training purpose. You will use your own. When you type user name and password, account is fetched from our website, and this is successful. This is perfect. Account has been fetched from your from our website. Now you need to log out and log in again with the same username and password which you created, which you got from when you register your website. When you register your store on our website, then login has been successful. Now you need to fetch your storage or business information from our website to your PC. Fetch shop, type fetch shop as you see here. you see that the store is updated successfully. You know your store information from fetched from our website to your PC. Now you can go to your dashboard and you can see that your store information has been fetched from our website to your PC. Now that is done. Now your store is activated for free trial version for trial period. If you purchase this software from us and connect your internet, then press update lesson button, it will be automatically updated. You can see this is dashboard of your Easykhata desktop point of sale software. You can go to home to see more detail. You are the admin of your store, and then you can see that you are admin. You can see, you can manage your customer, you can manage your products, you can manage your expenses, you suppliers, everything. You can manage all your accounts here. You can see every portion is separate. You can create sale reports, you can create stock reports. If you need to manage your change your shop information, edit your shop information here. You can chat your customer if the internet is on. You can back up your here. If I will record another video about how to manage your data backup. Your data is your own drives. You can connect your store information. You can connect your data to your own Google Drive or OneDrive. Product is in trial mode. You can purchase it from our website, or you can purchase it from Ecostore. So let's create a customer. Here you can create customer. Here you can create suppliers. You need to create one cash customer and cash supplier account whose balance must be zero. This is for the customer who don't you do not know, regular customer, you do not have information about them. So first of all, we create a cash customer. You don't have information for that customer, so copy and paste all the in all fields of the same cash customer, and the balance must be zero because you don't know have credit entries with them. So perfect, this green signal show that the entry is perfect. Now create an other some one more customer to see, to manage for the demo purpose. You can go directly to dashboard in the upper corner to go back. Now create new customer and type for example, let's create a new customer, Ali Kirana store. The name of the manager is any the name of the proprietor, the name of the manager who is handling if it is the manager is Ali. uh, Type the name, mobile number and WhatsApp number of that customer. As it is demo video, so I do not have the exact information about any customer, so this is for demo. Type the exact and correct information about in this field. For area, you can search by region. You can search by salesman, sale area. So area, type the area of that customer carefully. If you want to separate the customers of different salesmen or different regions. For example, if it is auth of salesman, if this customer belong to auth of salesman or region 1, you can type region 1 auth of salesman. You can edit this information in this dashboard or the customer dashboard. You can change the information at any time. If you want to if you want to give information from in this, if you change the customer from one salesman to other, you can change the region. You can type the address of the customer, the exact address of, click submit, and that is perfect. So go back, and we have created two customers. Similarly, you can create suppliers, one cash customer and as many suppliers as you have. Similarly, you can create products here. You can create products. If you have barcode, it will capture the barcode of the product within 500 milliseconds automatically. If you don't have a barcode, you can type any number in the barcode field. The barcode, you can download barcode information from our websites. Let's create two products for our demo purpose, or to create products. So type the name of the uh, product, uh, name of the product. Let's create new product, call it T. These are the demo products. Type product code 101. You can type any number for as a product code. If you don't have barcode scanner, if you have barcode scanner, it will capture automatically. You can type batch number. If you can leave it empty. If you have if you want to capture the batch information, you can type here. You can type category, the exact correct category. Type the correct category of your products, because it is demo. T is demo, to teach you the working. For example, if it is a tea, the category can be black tea, white tea, or any other. So the exact type correct category here, and subcategory. If you need, you do not have, you can type the brand name of your subcategory. It depends upon you what you give, category or subcategory. Type here purchase. You can purchase in cottons, in bags, in which you should use purchase unit, in which unit you have purchased this product to for the sale purpose. This can be same as the sale unit. Purchase unit and sale unit can be same, but if they are different, you should use different sale unit. If it is a cotton, and if sale unit should be a minimum unit. Selling this product. If your sale unit is not, you can use the unit as a sale unit. So if you are selling the product in kg, or half kg, or grams, or in unit, type the correct sale unit. Opening stock, if one carton has 18 kg, you can type 18. If one carton is purchased, yeah, if you can type the exact the number of kgs you have in your store. Opening stock, new stock is updated. If you have no new stock is updated when you during your cycle, month, during week. Type your price correctly. Enter your currency, because this software is running all over the world. You can type your own currency. You can use used item. You can sell used item. If it is brand new, you can select this from here. Then you can calculate your margin if you want. If you can leave it zero. You can leave it. You can calculate tax. You can enter the exact specification, exact detail of your product. What is the exact detail specification, but don't leave it empty, because it is required field. So any detail of your tea, any specification of your tea, enter the exact of your detail of your product which you are creating. Now then you can, after filling all the fields, you can click the submit button, and then you will see the you can submit. And if it is submitted successfully, then entry is perfect. I can write here 1 kg pack of Supreme. If it is a team, then click on the submit button, and that is done. One product has been added to your store. You can similarly create as many products as you want. You can go to products and enter a new product. You can search the product as well. Here you can print products as well. Now create new another product. we call it sugar, for example. This is also dummy product to for the tutorial purpose. Enter the product code if it is not captured. If you don't have barcode, you can enter any product code, any number. For example, if it one is 102 product code, then you can enter the batch number, the category, the brand name. Write the exact category of your product which is more suitable to your needs. uh, Write the purchase unit which is relevant to your product, in which you have bought your product. For example, sugar is bought in bags in our area. Similarly, if you are selling the retailer in kgs or grams or in half kgs, write the correct sale unit in which you are selling your product. You can change the this information later. Count the exact count of that unit in your store. For example, if it is 50, enter new stock. Enter if it is new to stock 0, no more. You can enter your price. You can enter your currency, brand new information. If you do not want to enter new stock, margin and tax, then enter your detail and specification, and that is done. It means new stock is optional when you create your product, because when you create, first of all, the new stock is also a new the first stock is the opening stock is the new stock. Then you enter submit, and that is done. The second product has been added to your store, so you can see your customers here. There are two customers we have created a we have created two customers right now. Now go to any customer detail, customer ledger. We can see customer ledger, and we click on customer ledger, and you can see you can create customer invoice for that customer. You can add payments. Let's create a new invoice for that. We If we have barcode scanner, it will capture the product code automatically. If you don't have a barcode scanner, you need to write the product code written on the product. For example, if the product code is 101, enter. You can search it, select it, and you can use the tab button on your keyboard to go to your price and quantity field. Note that you should use tab button and shift tab button to go back, and tab button to go forward. For example, when we want to enter 5 quantity, tab go to quantity and add to invoice. So one product has been added to your invoice. You can enter as many products into invoice as you want. Select go to price using tab button, and go to quantity using tab button. You can change price here. You should not use the keyboard. You should use the keyboard for changing the quantity and price. You should use keyboard. Add to invoice. So the second product has been added to your invoice. So the price invoice total is automatically calculated. You can give discount to your customer, and you will enter the amount the customer has paid to you, and click on the submit button. Discount, if discount is nothing, if you enter the discount, it will automatically added. If the customer has paid 5,000 and there is 200 due, that will be added to his customer account, customer account, customer. So you can enter the invoice detail. If you give discount of 200, it will be deducted from the total payable. You can submit button. You have entered to 5,000, so 200 is in the 200 is payable. That is done. That is perfect entry. So it means that your invoice has been created. You can go to the customer ledger and see. So total due is 200. you can see the you can see, click on it and see your invoice you have created, print this out, and you can give this to the customer. All the information, you can see all the invoice number, detail of your store, detail of the customer to whom you have created, for whom you have created your invoice. You can print it this out, you can give you can see all the information here. You can create you can create invoices, you can add payments at later stage, you can add return, you can add return items, you can print the ledger as well. So if you want to for example, if you want to if a customer return some item, for example 102, some units of product, some customer return 2 unit of sugar. If this customer Ali Kriana store return 2 item, add to return slip, it will be added to that. If there is some error, for example here you can see NAN, that is something went wrong, you can go back to that ledger and create then again the return slip. So if it is added if 2 items are returned, you can you can enter to the customer. If it is a 240 and you have returned 240 to that customer, enter 240 and it will be this entry will be added to the customer account. So show customer ledgers, you can see that 200 is still, because you have returned and you have returned the money, and the amount is exactly same. If a customer pay money, pay mode, it will you can add it mm, accordingly. So this is the return slip. The customer you return 2 items and you return 240 to that customer. So everything is perfect. You can get more information about, there are two invoices, you can add payment. For example, if a customer pay at this day and this date, customer pay you 200. There are two fields. If you pay, you enter in you paid. If a customer paid, you enter customer paid and submit. That is perfect. The customer has the customer paid, you have added the entry and the balance must be zero. So you can say that the third entry into the customer account has been added. There are three receipts, three invoices. First first and third are the customer, all the three invoices showing the exact figure, exact the entry into the customer ledger. This is, you can print this customer ledger as well, and you can share this customer ledger to that customer to for reconciliation. You can click on back button. So we have created all the invoices, payments, and return payments to that customer. The same procedure is for suppliers. You can go to the dashboard directly to go to that customer. You can see here, if you want click on the customer, you can see all the customers here and their balance here zero. You can search the customer by area, by region. You can search by name, for example region 1, region 1 Ali Kriana store. As we, when we create customers, we can add region to them. We can search by name, we can search by region, we can search by sale area, we can search by sale man. Similarly, we can change the customer information here. You can see this pencil icon. You can edit the information, their mobile number, their WhatsApp number, any information which is given, you can change. For example, if you enter the mobile number, you can add this information as well, submit. This is perfect. Now go back to our dashboard. We have check the customers. We have created information. We can search all the customers, we can print customers detail. We can search by area and give to the to a specific salesman. And we can you can see this is the supplier account. You can create supplier account. We should as we talked about, we can create we can create supplier. If a supplier is a shop, then you can add supplier name as Aslam, and enter the mobile number or any information which is relevant to that supplier. You can create email area. If it's something missing, you can enter email or region. You need to add something. If it is not exact, you can write the name of the field here. You can write a supplier. You can segregate, you can separate the supplier by region. For example, this supplier is from Lahore region 5. You can enter the exact address of that customer as well. So click on the submit button. The supplier has been created. Similarly, you can create as many suppliers as you want, and you can assign regions to all these suppliers for as we saw here. So this we have created a supplier here. We can create invoices for these suppliers. For example, we go to Aslam wholesaler ledger count. The procedure is same as the customers ledger, customer invoices. This procedure is same. We can if we write the code, product code. Product if you have barcode scanner, it will search automatically. If we write 102 and select, the sugar is selected. We do not have purchase price. We should enter the purchase price, in which we are buying from the suppliers. This purchase price is different from the sale price, and this purchase quantity is always also different from the sale price. So the purchase we have the bag is automatically added, because when we created this product, the we selected bag as the purchase unit. If you select any other unit, and that is selected. So if you entered a 10,000, you pay to that customer, and the rest is into your account. You can write here you paid. If some supplier give you discount, you can enter here submit button, and that is done. That is perfect. You have created one invoice for that supplier. Show account ledger, and you can see that the one item was added. You have purchased five quantity of bags from Aslam, and there were 15,000, 15,000 and 10,000 you were entered, and 5,000 you have due to pay. If you pay in this date to that supplier, for example, you have selected a you pay 2,000 to that supplier, then the rest will be 3,000. So if supplier paid, you will enter supplier field. If you click submit button, you pay 2,000 to that supplier. You submit successfully is indicator that the entry has been successfully added. You can see that you paid 2,000, and the total due which you have to pay is 3,000. You can you can go to supplier. You can search the supplier by region. You can see the all the supplier information here. So the supplier, you can create suppliers. You can see by region. You can search by region. You can edit the supplier information. You can create new supplier as well. So go to the dashboard and see the expenses as well. uh, this dashboard separate. This is the my expense book. As every business has different type of expenses, you can create the account head title of their expenses and manage them separately. For example, electricity bill, and you this is the utility expense. You can create as many expenses accounts as you want. This is the account information, electricity bill expense, and this is the utility expense, and you can write it here. And this is the detail of the expense. For example, this is the reference number of the electricity meter. You can type the reference shop number 115 for your purpose. You can create the expenses relevant to your business. This expense account has been created. Similarly, you can enter another expense. You can create as many expense accounted. For example, you have utility expenses, daily expenses. You have rent expenses. You have different types of expenses. You have food expenses. You have traveling expenses. Create all their titles. Create all their and then you can enter their detail into to manage their expenses. So we have created two expenses categories: electricity bill and daily expenses in this video, in this demo video. So you can see that there are two types of expenses. You can add as many as you want. Both the expenses in this month, this category, both the expenses have zero balance. You can show expense ledger. For example, this is the daily expense ledger, and you can see a date 10 today. You can see that if you pay 500 daily expense, for example, you paid to Mr. X. You pay to Mr. S for something, for Mr. Imran for T. You submitted. If you can return that expense as well. So this is the entry for to your expense ledger. Expense Daily expense has one entry of 500. So one the expenses are debited. If some expenses return, that will be credited. So this is the total expense for daily expenses 500. You can expense you can print expense report. You can get the expense report by daily basis, by weekly basis, monthly basis. You If some expenses return, you can enter return expense. For example, you have given something to someone but it is returned, you can return that as well. So let's go back. You can enter any expense as well. You can see here, this is the daily expense. You can go to dashboard here, and you can try different options as well. uh, this you can search the expenses as well. You can create new expenses. You can go to these expenses ledgers as well, depending upon your needs. So let's go to dashboard, and let's see another explore another option. For example, we see sales report. When you want to print sales report, you need to enter the start date and the end date. The end date should be one day after 1 day after the end period. For example, if the start date is if the end date is 10, you need to write the end date 11. So for example, you should write the date should not be empty. You should write the start date and end date correctly. As You should write the start date and end date. Make sure that the end date is 1 day. One day For example, the end date must be end date plus one day, because the day after the end, you should write date the day after the end date to get the exact information. So the end date must be the day after the end date. So this is the essential to generate the sale report. Click on the sale report. So this is the monthly report from 1st February to 1st February. So click on when you click on this, this will generate in sale report up to 1st February. Sorry, 1st March. 1st February to 1st March, this will be the this is the sale quantity, this is the sale amount. You That was the sale quantity, sale amount, total margin you have entered. If you can what you want, what is the cash recovery, total credit, and all the records. You can see, you can test, you can match, you can see that all the items and all the information is correct in this report. You can print a sale report of all the of any period you want. All the entries are in the first of March, so you can see all the information, what is all, everything is perfect. You can print this report as well. So let's go back and see the. So we have tried, we have explored many customers, products, expenses, and supplies. You can see here everything was perfect. You can print the stock report as well. You can see here, this is the you can go back, go down, and stock reports. Similarly, you can print the stock report as well. The end period should be 1 day after the end period to generate the correct stock report. Once more time, I am emphasizing that the end period must be 1 day after the end period. For example, the end date, if you want to 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 get the report up to 1st of March, the end period must be 2nd of March. So generate stock report. This is this generate stock report. The total stock here, stock sold is 13, unsold is 87. You can see here the 13 is the stock sold. What are the items sold? You can see here the in below the sold quantity, 8 kg of sugar you sold out, and 5 packs of 5 kg of tea you sold. So the what the information you added into the products, products category, products, when you create the products, the whole the information is entered in at the back end. You can see here the total records are 2. You can see the product code and their detail. Every detail is here in this stock report. So you can print this report and share with the owner of the stock. You can change the stock. You can see the if you can grant access to the employer, and you can block the access to the employer as well. So stock access, you the in this software has multi-user dashboard. You should not give access to the employee who are not relevant to the stock. Let's go back, and you can see the information. You can go back to the you can change the information in the edit shop portion. You can if you want to back up your data, you should connect your PC to internet. This product is in trial mode, and uh, this is the uh, exact information. You can connect your drive. You can connect your data feed and data to your drives. As this is the not and the data back is app is the not topic of today video. Subscribe to my channel, YouTube VC logs, and also my Facebook page, where I will upload information about how to back up your data, how to connect your data to your Google Drive or OneDrive. You can you can update your lessons when you purchase this our software from EK Store. Visit our website from our you can see EK Store in your PC. If you have internet connection, you can go directly from your PC to your to EK Store. You can see. Let's go to our website, easykhata.org, our website, and purchase the software from our ek store. We When you purchase this, we will send you the invoice to you, and we also update your we will send your product key automatically to your PC, and whenever it is connected to internet, it is applied to your PC. uh, uh, Once more time, I tell you that for a trial period, when trial period ends, this you should buy this software from our e-store, from our website. Any update or any version information is, please visit, keep we will send you through email. We will also send you we will all so update this information on our website. So keep an eye on website, keep an eye on your email. We will send you the updates information as well. You can get a e-commerce store from also you can get e-commerce store information. You can get your e-commerce website. So as we you can see, for this is the end of today video. Next we will uh, thank you so much.